Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can upload a video on the YouTube from the mobile. So first you need to open YouTube and make sure you have signed in into YouTube. And then on the bottom of the screen you will see the plus icon. Tap on it and you need to tap on upload a video and choose any video you want to upload to. So once you have selected which video you want to upload on YouTube, then you need to tap on next. This interface will open where you need to add the details of this video you want to upload. So you can create a title, add description, edit the visibility, edit location, add to playlist, or you can customize the comments also here. And after you do all these sorts, suppose here I write a title sunrise video, and you can add any description. For now I'm not adding. So on the top right you will see the next option on the blue mark, so tap on next. And you want to select the audience. Is this video made for kids? And if you want to select yes, it's made for kids, then tap on yes. And if you don't, then tap on no. Here is it age restriction also. So here it is given, do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? So if you don't want to restrict to viewers over 18, then tap on done. If you want to restrict, then tap on yes. So tap on upload video. Now the video you want to upload on the YouTube has been uploading. You can tap on see video and see where it's been uploading. And here you can see that 49% has been already uploaded. So about 13 seconds it is remaining, so wait until it's uploaded, so it's ready to watch. If you want to see on your channel, then you can tap on the profile of this YouTube and tap on your channel, and here you can see that the video has already been uploaded on the YouTube. Thank you.